What's up guys, I'm back with another video, and today's video is going to be uncut. We have the X3S Double from Moretry. Let's open it and see what it is. It says made in China and has Moretry's branding on it. On the back it says not for children under 3 years. 4-year-old kids are making world records. Okay, 8 or 9-year-old kids. But anyway, whatever. I think we should just open it from the top and take it out. Talking about the box, it's a very normal box. Black is my favorite color, but for some reason I'm not liking this particular black here. Let's open this up. I think it will take quite a bit of effort. I'm about to read it. Open. Once it opens, we'll throw the box down. First, we see the Moretry card. Man, looking at this card reminds me of the Easy Paisa debit card, and it's very clean. Like, this is the kind of card that makes you want to start a card collection. And here it's written, I am in Toshua Cube Design. You guys can read it if you want, just pause it. I'm not gonna waste time on this right now. Simply take out your cube, take out your accessory box, and there's foam here. Put it back inside and throw the box down. First, let's briefly review the accessories. I already have 2 versions of Moretry Tianma, but this one is in the stickered version. We have a pamphlet, a weird kind of screwdriver, a cleaning cloth, and anti-fog lens wipes. Normally, these are given for cleaning the lenses of camera glasses, laptop screens, and mobile screens, but maybe they've given it for cleaning the cube. We have some magnets of 6 types, and we seem to have a guide for F12. I don't know if they'll show the versions or adjustments in this. That's fine. Oh, this is gonna be a big headache. I think there are a lot of adjustments in this. There are a lot of pamphlets, and obviously I'm gonna throw all of these down. Alright, we have to talk about the main cube. I think we shouldn't distract, and let's just open it and take it out. Talking about first impressions, it looks really good. I don't know, the stickers are reminding me of the Worm 2019 first turns. I didn't expect it to be this good. Obviously, it's very loose, but oh, did you guys see anti-adjust? Auto-adjust. Man. It feels very airy, but it's not like GAN. GAN has an airy feel, but it's very locky. There's no lockup in this. It's very fast, man. Anyway, 1 second. There's no SH lube inside this, it's very little. If you guys look at the corner here, magnets are installed, and 1 second, man, from this side. Alright, I'm interested in seeing its core. The core really reminds me of the old days. It's that kind of core. And now I want to see the most interesting thing, which you guys might also want to see. It's something I've wanted to see ever since I unboxed it. There's very little lube in the center. Okay, we can adjust this by hand. There's spring compression, but we are not going to mess with that. We're only going to play with its screw depth. For now, let's open all of these. And I think I should loosen it 1 turn from each side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. And 6. Oh, did you guys see that? Auto adjustment is better. Just a second. This was also in the previous version of Tianma Moretry. It gets repelled from here. Alright, anyway. It's still very loose for me, man. Why? Even after tightening it so much, why? And the white one feels like it's a bit too loose. I'm not feeling even tension, okay? Now I can feel it. Alright, for now, I'm not gonna make it any looser than this. For now, I'm simply going to close all of these if I'm able to do it successfully. I mean, you have to be really precise to put the centers on. If I say it honestly, just a little off here. No, man, I'm not that precise. Why do these centers have to be put on so precisely? Well, anyway, we managed to put them on. Let's set this up. I don't know why, but I like this a lot. It's really fast, so I'll need to slow it down a bit. And you all know what we're about to do. Simply, we have weight 3, and we'll use this. Maybe we'll have to use weight 3 a bit more. My weight 3 is about to finish, man. Alright, I think that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. It's way too much for the corner. Let's hammer it inside on either side of the edges, a little bit on the pieces, and I think if we just align this straight and hammer it inside and from this side, get in. Yes, now we'll make the turns. To be honest, I still don't feel like this is slow. But I don't want to slow it down too much. I want it to have this kind of feel. Because it's a little bit fast, it's naturally very fast, so I don't want to lose its natural feel. We have to enhance it. We have to modify its speed according to our needs. If we want to slow it down a bit, make it stable, make it controllable, or even make it faster, we can do that too. But it's naturally very fast. So if you set it up while keeping its natural feel, that means you know how to set it up. Otherwise, if you lose the natural feel, you won't even realize whether you are using RS 3M 2020 spinning it, or RS 3M 2023, though it's not really 2023. Call it V long version 2. That isn't enjoyable because it should feel more natural. I've started talking about really scientific stuff. I don't know how, but for now, it's still so fast that I can't even describe it. Although the lube in this is pretty good, but I'm not gonna add more lube to it because I want to keep its natural feel. Some cubes are just so bad, you don't even feel like keeping their natural feeling. But this isn't one of them. You guys saw how smoothly I completed the solve. The video is recording, right? Thank God the video is recording. Yeah, absolutely. Okay, we've broken this in pretty well. Now we'll add a little bit of this lube to make it even smoother. That's it. I added 2.5 drops, man. 2.5, believe me, you weren't believing it, but somehow I managed to do it. Oh. Buttery, buttery, buttery. How is it possible that we can make a cube this smooth? I'm starting to do the first time solve on this. By the way, we've already done one solve on it when we were breaking in vid 3, but obviously we'll have to do about 50 solves on this one now. But I think before that, we should do some time solves. Let's do 1 or 2 solves before the break-in, then we'll move on. By the way, share the video with your friends. Share it with 3 friends so that our channel can be revived again. 11.9. No matter how hard I try to keep the video uncut, it just doesn't happen, man. I had to make a cut. Anyway, if we talk about the next solve, it's a bit tricky to be honest, because I feel like I'm gonna make a mistake even while making the cross. But thankfully, I didn't make that mistake. Now. $12.6. I don't know how I'm solving so well today. I'm about to do the last solve and then we'll do the outro. Let's take your leave now, alright? Again, the crosses are coming out really bad. How is this possible? Man, I just don't understand why the crosses are so terrible anyway. Yeah, I couldn't really plan it properly, so we can't expect much from this solution, honestly. But still, why did I like it? To be honest, I won't say this can be my main, but you know what they say, I liked the cube. Man, I like the feel of it. If I do 50 or 60 solves on this, it'll improve further. Moretry has done something interesting here, to be honest. That's it for today's video. I think let's end the video here. I don't know what else I can say. I'm doing a really awkward outro. Watch the previous video, like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and subscribe once again, man.